Alright, trig class, let's look at this problem where they're wanting us to find the cosine of a non-special angle, but they want us to use radical, meaning exact value of the expression. So when we do this, what we have to do is realize that there's more than one way to approach this problem. The way I do it and the way that you do it may not be exactly the same. But what we have to do is look at our unit circle and find two angles that either add to 75 or subtract to 75 degrees. So the easy choice here would be to add 30 and 45. It's not the only choice, but it's just 30 and 45 added to 75. Now I could also do 120 minus 45, something like that. It just has to combine via addition or subtraction to 75. So I'm going to use those two. I'm going to use cosine of 30 plus 45. And again, in the sum formula for cosine, I get a cosine and a cosine, a sine and a sine. All right, these angles go in here. So this is a 30, this is a 45, this is a 30, this is a 45. And then remember, for cosine, if this is plus, this becomes minus. So change a sign for cosine when we do these sum difference formulas. All right, cosine of 30, that's the x-coordinate at 30 degrees. That's the square root of 3 over 2. If you look on your unit circle, 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2 is that x-coordinate. All right, cosine of 45 and sine of 45 are both square root of 2 over 2. All right, minus the sine of 30 degrees is the y-coordinate there. All right, and so that'll be a half. Again, if you get a square root of 3 over 2 at an angle, you're also going to get a half. All right, and then sine is also square root of 2. All right, and when I combine these, I'm multiplying. So multiplying can occur under the radical, so that's 3 times 2 is 6. So this is the square root of 6 over 4. Minus, this is 1 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 2. 2 times 2 is 4. This is the square root of 6 minus the square root of 2 all over 4 when I combine it into a single fraction. All right, now if you type this in, I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to type in cosine 75 degrees. All right, and then I hit enter. It's going to give me a funky decimal. All I can really do is type this expression out completely. So parentheses, square root of 6 minus square root of 2, close parentheses, divide that by 4, and just show my decimals match up. You know, it's not like a great way that I can convert that into something that the TI can show me. So this is one where the formula is going to be very important. The unit circle is very important for this one. So just take your time with it. Make that unit circle be the first thing you do on your midterm or your final, so you can have that to get this middle step done, which is basically everything for this problem.